Start by selecting Utilities or pressing F6. Then select Configuration. Then select Hardware Configuration. This will bring up the Hardware Setup page. To create a new analog input, select Edit while on the Analog Input tab. This will bring up the Analog Input Table Entry Editor. Select New to create a new analog input, then name the new input. In order for the input to operate properly, it must have a device associated with it. If the exact device name is known, it can be entered into the device field. If there is no device for it, one will have to be created. Select OK to save the new input. Go to the Devices tab and select Edit. To create a new device, select New, then name the device. A specific driver must be associated with this device, so one must be entered. Copy the device name and select OK to save the new device. Return to the Analog Input tab and select the new input that was just created to edit it. Paste the device name into the device field. Other options in the Analog Input Table Entry Editor include min and max voltage, units, and 3 Boolean options. These options are RT channel, user cal, and do not journal. RT channel needs to be selected if the analog input is using a real-time channel. User cal needs to be selected if the user is going to be calibrating this specific input. And do not journal is generally used for internal purposes to debug, so it can usually be turned off unless being used for this purpose. Select OK to save the new input. All inputs and outputs are created this way. They all must have a device with an associated driver at the bare minimum to be operational. To delete an input, select Delete. A restart of the program is required for all the changes made to take effect.